Hey guys, so Airbnb 101 tutorial, and today I'm gonna create an internal name into my listing. Because if you notice in here, like I have a similar title, it's all like three of this or four of this are affordable condominium, and it really confused me when I go into the inbox section. I don't know where like what specific listing is this one. So what you can do is go into the menu sections and go to the listing, and let's say you want this to be have its own internal name that your team or yourself can only see it. So what you could do is just click the update section and then go into the back editing and go to the listing title and go in here. So if I type in that and then in here as well, and I'm gonna change this one to here because this is my boyfriend listing and this one is my uncle listing. So basically I'm handling all of their Airbnb um property at the same time. So all that there, and then if I go in here, this is my listing for that. So if you go to your inbox section, instead of seeing a lot of like affordable condominium word in here, what you can see now, if I refresh that, is the internal name. So here, I like there's also a title, but at the same time, it gives you an insight what this listing all about, and it's also more visible into the mobile versus on the desktop. So it really helps a lot so you won't get confused with your email. So that's it, guys. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me. Have a good day.